Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to report and block toxic players on Xbox. So if someone is being toxic, you can report them and block them to stop further contact. So here is the step 1 on how to get started. So open the player profile, then press the Xbox button on your controller, go to the settings, go to the people, then click on recent player or friends and club, then select the toxic player's profile. Then on the step 2, report the player. So to report it on their profile, select report, then choose a reason. So for example, you can simply state harassment, cheating, or offensive message. Then you can now submit the report. Then on the step 3, block the player. So on the profile, select block, then this stop them from messaging or joining your games, and done. This player is now blocked and Xbox will review your report, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.